Hello families, my name is Mrs. Mickelson and I am the math resource teacher at Loma Verde Elementary. This video is going to show you and your kindergartner how to sign in to the iReady Math Diagnostic Test, which will be taking place this week or in the next few weeks. So if your kindergarten scholar is not next to you, please go ahead and grab them. It is very important that they know how to do this as well, just in case you, the grown-up, is unable to support them at any moment when they need it. So hello to you too, kindergarten scholars. So the first thing I want to go over is the login card. I want to share with you what each thing means on that card. If you haven't gotten this card yet, you will be getting it soon. So that card looks like this. There's a few things I want to share with you here. So obviously your child's name or your name should be here. This is just an icon identifier. So if the child does not know how to identify their name in words, they can just look for their icon, which for this example is a fox. This right here is the class number. You will be needing this. And this is the picture code. And I will be getting back to these when we get there. Now, one thing that's important is on test day, you will have a internet browser open and you will need to leave Teams open. So if you could just look down at the bottom of this video screen right here, and you can see my yellow circle cursor. I have Google Chrome and I have Microsoft Edge, and then there's Teams. You want to make sure that this remains open. So never hit the X. Now, you're just going to go toggle to the internet browser you want and you're going to open. So make sure that this stays open so that the camera stays on. Now, you're going to your internet browser and you're going to click on login.i-ready.com, which is also listed on the PDF step-by-step that I've given you. In step 2, you can also click on it, or you can ask your teacher or proctor to drop it in the link of the chat in the Teams meeting that you will be in on test day. Once you get to the website, you see that there is this sign-in box, which is the first thing that we tend to see, right? However, for kindergartners, they're going to skip right over that and they're actually going to click on this monster icon right here and the button that says K1 Card Login.
Enter your class number.
This is where you will enter by touching these with your mouse or finger if it's a touchscreen, that classroom number that's on their login card, which is this one right here. Now, your number will be different. Then you will find your name, and of course, if you can't find your name, find your icon, which again, for the example, was a fox.
Enter your picture code.
Now, that picture code is right here, and you do need to do it in order. Now, if you can't remember the names of the icon, you could, if it's easier for you, you could also do the colors. So you can enter it as water drop, flower, exclamation mark, or you can even enter it as teal, purple, green. Then you will be brought to this page. When the teacher says it is time to start the test, you're going to click that big green button.
Start diagnostic.
Please make sure that it is your name that is up here so that you know that you are in the right account. When you click on this button, this big green button, a video will pop up for you to watch to motivate you, and then you will be given some practice so you know what tools you can use throughout the test. Then your first question will be given to you. Parents, it is very important that you support your child with encouraging words, but do not help them solve the problem in any way, as we need the most accurate reading of what your child knows in math so that we can best plan for them this year. Thank you. Email me if you have any questions.